Hello mga ka-chisflix! Mainit-init pa na issue ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon.
Kabit ni Patrick Bernardino na asawa ni Meiko Montefalco, lumantad na! Pinangalanang Biane de la Cruz ang kabit ni Patrick at may inihayag at pinost siya sa social media. This is Bian. Yes, I made this account just to explain my side of the story kasi ang bilis niyo mang judge, ang bilis niyo mang bash, pero wala man lang nakinig sa akin. So here I am, telling the whole truth. Yes, naging kabit ako ni Patrick. Congratulations sa inyo kasi you finally got what you want, a confirmation. But let me make it clear. He told me hiwalay na sila ni Ate Meiko. So of course, I believe him. Kasi bakit naman ako magdududa, di ba? He looked so trustworthy. And syempre, I didn't ask more questions. Kasi apparently, that's my biggest crime now, not being a private investigator. I know, it's still wrong. That's why I'm here to take accountability. Whatever that means to you people. I'm so sorry I trusted someone who lied to me. I'm so sorry I believed in love. So embarrassing, right? I should have known better. I should have stalked his whole life before catching feelings. My bad. I get it. I'm the kabit now. The homewrecker, the evil third party. But let's not forget, it takes two to cheat. Patrick was the one in a relationship, not me. And yet, here I am, getting all the hate. But it's fine. I'm used to it. You all need someone to blame. And I guess today, it's me. Yay me. Anyway, just wanted to clear things up. Not because I care what you think. Well, maybe a little. But because I want to defend myself from all the chismes and lies being spread. If you're still mad, okay. If you still think I'm the worst person ever, sure. At least now you've heard my side. Thanks for listening. Or pretending to. Napabalita naman na sinugod daw sa ospital si Meiko Montefalco dahil sa mga nalaman niya at mga nakalap na ebidensya. Anya ni Meiko, "These videos I have. Baboy ka! Paano? Mismong araw ng kasal natin sumalisi ka? Habang nasa prep ako? Anong ginawa ko sa iyong masama?" Meron pang pahabol na ebidensya. Matapos mo kong harang-harangan sa pinto nung paalis na ako, sabihan ng I love you at ayusin natin nung umuwi ako ng Bulacan para ihatid mga bata muna nang makasama mo naman sila. At naging paki ako dahil pupunta akong Korea. Nagsakay ka ng mga babae sa kotse ko? Kala ko naman, nagsuspend time ka with the kids. Andyan ka palang ng bababae. Kagaling.
At nang ma-ospital nga si Meiko, ay nag-post na siya na magpapahinga na muna siya sa social media. Taking a time off of social media for a while. I have almost all of the evidences I need. All I have to do now is to hunt them. Maraming salamat sa mga panalangin at suporta. Sa mga taong nagpapadala ng pagkain at regalo, bumibisita sa akin, nangangamusta, nag-aalala. Maraming salamat. Babawi ako sa pamamagitan ng pagbangon na mas malakas. Still though, if you have any evidence I can use to prove my husband's infidelity, just message me here, and I will still pay for a clear vid. Kahit may mga hawak na ako. Just drop it if you have. Maraming salamat. See you when I see you. Papalakas lang ako. Gigil din ba kayo mga ka-chisflix? Comment sa baba ang inyong opinyon sa issue na ito.
Subscribe para sa mga susunod na ulat at chismis. Chisflix sana!